Hey everyone, welcome back to On Target with Archer. I'm Stacy Bressler, managing partner here at Archer Energy Solutions. And today we're taking a really hard look at what happens when network segmentation and critical infrastructure just doesn't hold up, and what the modern practices out there that can really help you avoid these same mistakes. So on paper, we have segmentation, and that sounds pretty simple. Separate the networks so attackers can't move freely. But in reality, we've seen plenty of environments where the design looked great in a diagram, but failed under real world conditions. And one of the most common scenarios is this flat network behind a firewall. The drawing will show these distinct IT and OT zones, but inside the perimeter, everything shares the same address space. Once an attacker breaches that single firewall, there's nothing left to stop this lateral movement. Another weakness that shows up often is in shared accounts and weak identity management. We've seen organizations where the same credentials unlock both IT and OT systems. If an attacker compromises a corporate network, those credentials can open doors to control networks without ever touching the intended segmentation boundary. Vendor access is also another frequent culprit. Temporary remote connections for maintenance often become permanent, or VPN tunnels stay open long after a project ends. These are the links that effectively punch holes straight through these carefully built layers, and attackers know to look for them. So, how do you move from a static diagram to a living, resilient segmentation strategy? Modern approaches like microsegmentation and zero trust help by assuming no implicit trust anywhere. Instead of relying on a single perimeter, every connection is authenticated and every movement verified. Continuous validation, regular testing whether controls still work as designed, turns segmentation from a one-time project into an ongoing security practice. Segmentation isn't a set forget exercise, it's a discipline that has to evolve as your operations change. Diagrams are very useful, we all know that, but only if they reflect reality and are backed by technology and processes that keep attackers from moving unchecked. That's it for today and On Target for Archer. I'm Stacy Bressler. Thank you for watching. In our next episode, we'll look ahead to how zero trust principles can be layered onto OT networks to strengthen segmentation for the future. I'll see you then.
Don't miss out on any of our insightful content. Hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay informed whenever we release new videos. For top-tier security solutions, Archer is your trusted partner. Explore our offerings at archerint.com and get in touch via email or phone to fortify your company's defenses. Your questions drive our content. Leave them in the comments below and join us every Monday for a fresh episode of On Target with Archer.